morning. Welcome, ladies, gentlemen, brothers, sisters, family, friends. Thank you so much for joining us for this fundraiser for the Jagannath Temple of North America. My name is Padmi Das, and on behalf of JOGO, I'd like to formally welcome you. JTNA is located in Cooksville, Maryland, and it is the first Jagannath Temple in North America. This act. Now, before we get started, I do want to invite Vikram Paul to come speak to us, the chairperson of the Hindu Temple, who is a great Jagannath devotee. And for Dr. Paul.
Jai Jagannath. Namaskar. Jagannath ଠାକୁରଙ୍କର ଆଶୀର୍ବାଦରୁ କୃପାରୁ ଆମେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଏଠି ଏକତ୍ରିତ ହୋଇଛୁ ଗୋଟିଏ କାମ ପାଇଁ ମନ୍ଦିର ତିଆରି କରିବା ପାଇଁ ସେଇଟା ହେଉଛି ସବୁଠୁ ବଡ଼ ସଂକଳ୍ପ ଆମର ସବୁ ଓଡ଼ିଆମାନଙ୍କର ଖାଲି ଆମ ଏଇ DMV ଏରିଆର ନୁହଁ ସାରା ୟୁଏସ୍ଏରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି ଆମର ସଂକଳ୍ପ ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ଆଇଡିଆଲ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ ମନ୍ଦିର ତିଆରି କରିବୁ ମୁଁ ବହୁତ ଆଇ ଥିଙ୍କ 2-3 ବର୍ଷ ହେଇଗଲାଣି ନରେଶ ବାବୁଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ମିଶି ଏଥିପାଇଁ ଯେଉଁ ଯେତେ ରକମ ହାର୍ଡଲ ଆସିଛି ୟୁ ୱଣ୍ଟ ବିଲିଭ୍ ଇଟ୍ ଆପଣମାନେ ଯଦି ଏଇସବୁ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମରେ କିମ୍ବା କୌଣସି ନିର୍ମାଣ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଯେଉଁ ନାନା ରକମର ରହିଛି ରେଗୁଲେସନ୍ସ ରହିଛି ତାକୁ ହାର୍ଡଲ୍ସ ଆମେ କହୁ ଟୁ ଓଭରକମ୍. It is a big headache. It is not just one person's job. It is a community effect. Community has to join together, unitedly in one hand, jointly to be successful to build this temple. Please open your heart and mind and your pocketbooks for you. Thank you very much. Jai Jagannath. Namaskar.
Thank you so much, Dr. Paul. Another hand. So some final thoughts before we begin our 3-hour show. I want to make sure that we respect the artists and the effort that they've put in. So I ask that you mute your phones, silence your phones, and please do not use them because the light shines on your face in the middle. I'd like to add to Dr. Paul's speech that we have raised over $10,000 for the Jagannath Temple of North America. This is a testament to the fundraising efforts so far, and not only Dr. Naresh Das, who is my father, thank you, but also all of the community members that have come together and our performers here today that are volunteering their time to be with us. So thank you so much. As you continue to donate, I believe we'll be announcing donations and more movement towards our goal as we go along. And now I'm going to switch and give the microphone over to Avni Kaushik so she can introduce our first act.
Hello everyone, and so to conduct our first performance today, I'd like to introduce Nritya Shala. Nritya Shala was founded in 1986 in Baltimore, Maryland, and is directed by Guru Srimati Janaki Shivaraman, disciple of Padma Bhushan Dr. Padma Subramaniam. Janaki has been recognized by the Governor of Maryland for her outstanding efforts, sincere dedication to the preservation of class through Bharatanatyam. Today, the dancers are Siddhara Chakamadadil, Sanika Chakamadadil, Vaishnavi Nair, Aparna Ramanathan, Himani Shah, Navika Shankar, and Shreya Srinivasan. To begin, we begin with the Pushpanjali, an offering of flowers to the presiding deity of Bharatanatyam, Lord Nataraja, in Ragam Vasanti Talam Adi, a composition of Madurai Murlidharan. Please welcome the dancers.
Thank you.